Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Black Flag Week protest by Khasi Taxi Association in Shillong. Meghalaya Government Drivers Welfare Association hosts blood donation drive. Meghalaya Muay Thai team heads to IFMA Youth World Championship in Bangkok. And Ribhoy College celebrates 40th anniversary. And now the news in detail. The All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association has launched a Black Flag Week from September 9th to 14th, 2024 to protest against the entry of Assam taxis into Shillong and other districts. Members have adorned their vehicles with black flags to express their discontent with the government's inaction. ATA President Barikaldinus Dolling stated that the government's failure to regulate Assam taxis has severely impacted their livelihoods. Dolling emphasized that their grievance is not against Assamese drivers but against the lack of legal measures to restrict Assam taxis from competing in local tourist areas. The association has urged the government to address their demands promptly, warning that further actions might be taken if their concerns remain unaddressed.
Hanya poin bisa yang kali sebelumnya KSU. Ani bos. Ke message ke banikong ke bangakok banong hang ni kalong BCP saka sarkar kalong ba sarkar beron burom ngatip ba ni kidai kinong ai dan ni kinong thaput ki bakarpang ki jongki kumki MLE le ni kinong mikmat ki badai haga ni ke jela jungi ba Peit ke ni ke jing sedang ke jing ki ke jongi wat ai ba ni long ba tang kita kita kinong penkeluas nong mulai niat ke jing jai nak kau nak duk fixing Khubor ki benai ba ada bro ni wan ke jing jai ni banyak kenduk ke sarkar ke mau ke sarkar beron berom juga jela Meghalaya ba kin soha ban skap lem no ke jing jungi nim dei shu Khubor ni ba ong ban ni thau jing rumah ni ban rumah le banyak shot dat nim don kum kata hari ke jing le jungi ke nim taksi bang pilai hang to ba ke jing te kilamayong kali ke jing bu ni banar ke jing rem jungi ke sarkar kalong ba ke pau sarkar bedan buram kani ke ditang jing stang ke jing ki jungi lada pim skap hadu ke khatsau trik ke bang ibu ya kani ka jing te lamayong ke bangin kut haswa khatsau trik ngakarpat ba pideng kam ba khot no yang ni man poi sakami ke jing kren nam ta kata kamat ke jing dawa jungi ke badai tourist spot banan man perking no ikali pada basket ni ke pat ke sarkar ba soha ban hot lem no yang ni pasal kami kerja keren nama ni ngila tong du plat kata kabai kerja dan nim inong gumnung kemangalak keren hak sini hak handle trik ke bangilong kerja ngang kalau buat bangin sil ki baikot baik kali ru ngila sim jing ngasim jenjar kum tup ya ki kali kamai parok pan pada mereka state dungi kila sim kerja kum ni sim mengi kita taksi kum jo pat kiwi ki nong kali kamai ki sim ju kumbang je de ko sarkar padan puram ladapi dei shisha kita ki bapat sebi lakam ya ka sebi jong ka jing hai ka ri ba ka zat benriu jongi de kan mau ba.
On Saturday, the Meghalaya Government Drivers Welfare Association organized a successful blood donation event at Pasture Hills Blood Bank in Shillong. The initiative saw participation from 80 members of the association who contributed to a critical need for blood donations. The event was graced by prominent figures including Kong VR Aim, Secretary to the State Government, and Dr. F.V. Khuborjylla, Director of Health Services MI, along with Dr. W. Karluki, Director of Health Services Research, and Dr. C. Botna, in charge of the Pasture Blood Bank. The gathering also included leaders and members of MDWA who collectively supported the cause. The blood donation drive aimed to address urgent blood shortages and highlighted the association's commitment to community welfare.
Driver Welfare Association sees in it Inong tikam jong ka association central body, but itu part jong ka association berapa rengkap, but president, general secretary jong unit berher, bala rengkap, but ni hari sini rengkap. Nga penpang ada jong semua ya jong ya pi jong ka association ya president ya vice president di bala wan ya kendu di bala tempat yang ada pelajar di Papua jona dengan tapi dia pun bohong iba sini harga sedang kalau ke bang asosiasi juga kalau kau nama ba pasti saja ni fungsi kalau ke sini harga ini pun kamu dari kawan dari nak bentar kamu kau hal ini kau kasihan orang dan mobil kos kamu siap bang hakan orang ini orang ini nak hakan kansel no bang sumukman benar benar ini tak Dr. F.B. Kashian, DHSMI, Dr. W. Karuki, DHS Research, Dr. C. Burna, in charge of the Regional Blood Center, hanya Pasca Institute, Dr. Kemudian ada office bagi Dr. Burna ini, dan tiba-tiba dia si staff from the office. Nah, suntengat LIE kejeng syekhan kejeng tiru banyak simbenda lah hari ini program kabalong ke program kaba baong doktor karuki bende ba kampat juja na nunu ba association bandar pung kami kejai program kaba perpang na kita kejeng aisna ki hari ini kuat mentangam belajar sih
6 young athletes from the Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya are set to compete in the IFMA Youth World Championship taking place in Bangkok, Thailand from September 11th to 20th, 2024. Before their departure, the delegation, which includes Dasngautengen I Nongrum, Alfonsa Ziana Riang, Mary Christine Riang, Madonna Taro, Bansa Nam Kerpang Warkelo and Andi Taro, met with Ba Bantidor Lingdo, MLA of Maukenro constituency and former state sports minister. Lingdo extended his best wishes to the team, encouraging them to represent Meghalaya with pride. Although 10 children were initially selected, financial constraints led to 3 withdrawing from the tournament. The team led by Angelo Sun, secretary, and Pinsuk Lang Sumer, judge and referee, will also be accompanied by Khemborlang Marweng, who will compete in additional events in Bangkok.
Long Spokrik do Arpo Sutama, Mtausnam Arpo Sa, Aban Shillong Ru Hangtai Po Vibrant Kadeka City Hapo Thailand. De Katkum ka association nila sya man select player kilong Mbais Pungut. Kinang taki official kilong argut kalong kat argut dan relor bakalong kejing crisis jang fund ase kejing bomla mirap nagalyang ki kemi pa ki ba 4 bor ban sei ti na kalong ba laingut e kimsim layo ban lechim ya kanika tournament ka ba lechim mentah hartika world championship dari kumba pitup kejing e jong association idon sibun kejing e nomor ba nagalyang jungi imdon fund thank you abet nagalyang kesorka Dari nakalyang cungir kumnga presiden ngasom nong ai kublei ru yang sukar kaba hapo ka jelam jong o chief minister Badan Burom Konrad kisang ma bajulap ya wi por sya wi por habdai ba kanika tournament kijing lek kijungi te so ba lada kadai kijing rap ka beret ru larang ayo antang ba kumbalai lang andru khoru klade kijing kerkhu yang ka association nomor kat bangi poi kat bangi persyang ban pan kilat jirap na kalingka financial ka bede ba kapisa kamut ngim judu iyo teman ri kalong ka ipat ka mangila mendong ba kalong prospen balari kena jungi kon ra ya kasap bat kyora e kanam ke buram na kate world championship kumbang julong ngaso mendong ba ngim juyo government kum kane government ka baki kena jungai ka mai thai ngam karani be discipline kamut kiyo ya cash award kum menha kane ki kena jungai ki bayo silver ki bronze yo cash award kawi kena mat larang bakala don bay yo 2 lak tam ki don te ki biyo silak ki biyo arlak ba kum ta te la da kade ka world championship la ne kalong jong ka national tenre kalong sakawai ba kating kurku ba kalong nakati mentoy nam ta ka biyo na kane sarkar kamtam hapo ka jelam jong i bab tidor di badai rukum amli mentah dari balong chip star hipor bamsua kade lingba kacing tristom kucung i habang i kane kacing wan
Ribhoi College in Ribhoi District marked its 40th anniversary on September 9, 2024, honoring its founding principal, late R.I. Masharing. The event held at the college was graced by Merubon's AM, MLA of Nongpo, as the chief guest. The celebration was attended by Principal E.C. Benny, relatives of late R.I. Masharing, Ba R.R. Makodo, teachers, students and members of the RBCSU leadership. The day featured performances including songs, dances and various programs showcasing student talents. The celebration highlighted the college's growth and its impact on improving education in the district and state, emphasizing the legacy of selflessness and determination of its founders.
Day of Ribhoi College. How many of us will remember the contribution of late Sri R.I. Masharing, Khuborjylla, how many will remember the contribution of Dr. Bedil Pang? How many will remember the contribution of Pak Rangan Sai Mukro, who is here? How many will remember the contribution of the family of Pak Masharing? How many will remember the contribution of teachers, faculty members, those who have been retired, who has been through thick and thin? It is very important, that recognition. Kecik itu kadai kebenaran kam hantu kata-kata. Kecik hai buron, but so that's why I am here today to remember this foundation, the foundation that has been built. We are so thankful to all the founder members. Even though Balapang is not here, thank you so much to him, Dr. Sai, and all the other members during that time. But Yalam, Babu Yalam, to his family member today, we are happy that his youngest daughter, she is here, that Fisha is in. Thank you so much, Police Boniti, taking the assembly to Khubor. I did not senyap dari dengan cakap contribution Khubor. Yo lese kita sibun ki jingkeno kindan be. Malah kata. Kalau ni gigi kesem, kalau ni yang kalau ni yo no, kalau ni ya para genre ni mesti kita ini suatu bagi contribution kepada di kesem itu kita ni. Problem dalam kat menangri semua. And we are not wrong to say that whatever contribution that Sri R.
On September 9, 2024, Maukarwat MLA Renekton L. Tongkhar inaugurated several MLA schemes including SRWP, IA and CDP, ISU UDP and DTMF with a total budget of Rs 2 crore for the 2023 to 24 fiscal year. The launch event took place at the UDP office in Maukarwat, attended by officials from Maukarwat CNRD block office. Prior to the launch, MLA Tongkhar briefed local elders and residents about the objectives and benefits of the schemes during a short meeting, outlining their potential impact on regional development and community welfare.
Jadi mereka tahan sekadar mereka juga jimbahan yok kamslam, kenang makan kamdek kamslam. Jadi mereka tahan ki ai keblai ki beneficiaries, ki bala ap la kamslam, bad ya ki ban sayok mentah, ki ban yok mentah kesengi, Bat kum juru ter hakaban nagling committee kan yok penbet kan sayok kan ai kan tip haki Shillong ke per hakabakin wan kat kum kitarik hakaban sa ai hakabakin sayok tip namaran rakot lang baro sin khot kalong ka pasitom haru kata ginam la pan lei kata tinggi la penbet dah nagling office kan penbet ye kitarik iba per nak taki Shillong ke per this is in part ai kublei ye kini ki balai involve hakaji penbet ye ke skim na ke la kalong na ka office ke jonga nak office juga MPDA, kantam nak office juga blok, nak keleng ke DC office, nak keleng juga CNRD, nak tay na Shillong, nak po namar ni habsabit kiskim po CNRD, ter day nak takadauru ke ba kasimpor namar kilabon ke office, hak ba ter nak CNRD isubmit ke wan sa DC, na DC ke wan sa blok, bar kumta ka jigi penbet pat nak keleng office jongiro. Tingai kublei kini ke office barok kibelai dan bentah. Ban perpoi haduk bagi nadap mentah kasngi ban long ready. Kajing long breu tentang ni perkhat bah bangangam yok kadon ke air lese balai bangangam yok kadon kajing long breu kita bawat akade kajing ayawat kam sarkar senguse ban ong banamar baka kam sarkar ka khendia lada kadon tang si phongot bat lada si hajar ki apply kin yok tang si phongot habakot bat ka basuse kalong baki khendai spa khendai phau ki perkhat bet baki di si phongot ki bayok ki yok da ki on.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.